Buying your first home in Charleston and not sure where to start?
Well, this is Walker and Will. We're your local real estate experts, and we're here to help you.
Our free first time homebuyer workshop breaks down the home buying process step by step, telling you the secrets you need.
Apparently, get insider tips, answers to your questions, and real talk about what to expect in the home buying process.
Uh, Whether you're new to Charleston or a veteran, this workshop could be for you.
And if it is, we need you to just please show up,
Please.
please.